Hi guys, I just thought I'd just share my.
Start over. Why you jumped in so fast? I was stuck.
Oh, it's okay.
Shoot.
Go. Just thought I'd share my meal with you guys. I just actually have some microwave crab and some eggs, and I just wanted to share them with you. And my daughter is trying to steal. I have a couple pieces of lobster from earlier today. I actually made my husband some lobster grilled cheese. And that is what's left from that. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It's been a while since I had some crab, guys. These eggs are delicious. Let's see what this crab tastes like. Not coming out too easy. Oh, but it tastes good though. I put some no leg, no. I put some Slap Your Mama actually seasoning on here. I'm putting in the microwave, and the flavor is delicious. Ooh. The crab is very fresh. I actually just put it in the microwave for about 4 minutes or so. Ooh. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful Saturday. A wonderful weekend.
Can I eat this?
You couldn't try. There's nothing to eat. You want some crab?
Yeah.
This is late. Ooh. Hope you guys got something good to eat.
I can break this out.
That's another one. Put some butter in here.
I broke it as apart. I can break this as apart. Ew.
I love the claw meat. Want some?
Yeah, it's spicy.
He said it's spicy. Sometimes that Slap Your Mama tends to be a little bit spicy sometimes. But he's the type of kid, he doesn't like any seasoning at all. So anything tastes spicy to him.
American kids doesn't like season. Can I break this as apart? I can break it as apart.
Move, Lake, stop playing with the food while I'm eating, babe.
Let me just break it.
Don't play with that.
Can I say hi to everybody?
You can say that.
Hi, my name is Lake.
They know who you are, Lake.
Do you like our video, guys? The cupcake challenge?
That was a cupcake video.
Do you like it, guys?
Decorating video?
Uh-huh.
And what did you like about it?
I didn't like the pudding one. I didn't taste
You didn't like the chocolate one?
I didn't like it.
Maybe you can have a vanilla one tomorrow. You might like that one.
Yeah.
So tomorrow we're supposed to get together with family. Have some family time. Because I tell you, this family has really been overtaken by YouTube. Our whole lives are YouTube. If I'm not editing, I'm making a video. If I'm not making a video, I'm uploading a video. So it's crazy. And but we have to actually take time to appreciate our family and love on one another when we have a chance, because we all get so busy throughout the week. And we really should take time to, as they say, smell the roses, you know? So I'm taking some time out. Like, go play, babe. We're gonna take some time out tomorrow to bond and go play and spend some time together. So that's what we're doing tomorrow. So I hope you guys are able to smell the roses, you know. I know we can't really get out and like really travel, you know, how we really want to and things like that, but I think it's an opportunity for the immediate families to, you know, bond and, you know, kind of just be there for one another and love on one another. So that's always good. And I appreciate that time that we have with one another. I really do. I really am so happy that I was able to get some pretty good crab today, because it's been like, go in the other room. Trying to balance everything, the good, the bad, and everything else in between, different things that we have to go through in life. It's not easy, you know. And when you have a big family and, you know, we don't all like the same things, it's just kind of hard. And Mom's the unsung heroes of the family. What they say, the glue that bonds the family together, is what moms are. So we have to keep it together. We have to be strong for our families. Like, go in the other room and play. It's like the third time I had to say something. Go play with your toys. So this is a late night video. This is like I don't even know how many videos I've done this weekend. So it's just one of many. And I may post tomorrow. Taping it tonight, but I'll post it tomorrow. So yeah, shout out to all the hardworking people that are doing YouTube, the YouTube creators. Like I tell you, this is not easy. You have to be a strong person, you know, for one, to keep up. Because it is a job, I tell you. And then when you work, you know, on top of working, you got this job. Staying on top of learning all the different editing styles and all that kind of stuff. It's not easy at all. But, you know, with practice, you get better and better, you know, all the time. So it's doable. But I just remember back to the times when I first started, and I couldn't even put like, comment, and subscribe at the bottom of the video. So I have truly come a long way.
Stop!